Have you ever wondered why pineapples look like they belong on another planet? With their spiky crowns, diamond-patterned skin, and bright golden interior, pineapples don't look like typical fruits at all. Yet they're one of the most popular tropical fruits in the world. But here's the thing, pineapples are far more interesting than just a pizza topping debate. Today, we're diving into 5 incredible facts about pineapples that will completely change the way you see this tropical superstar. From how they grow to why they can eat you back. Let's get started. Fact number 1, a pineapple is not one fruit, it's hundreds. Here's something most people don't know, a pineapple is not a single fruit. The pineapple, scientifically known as ananas squamosus, is actually a collection of many berries fused together. Each little diamond, or eye on the outside of a pineapple, was once an individual flower. When a pineapple plant blooms, it produces dozens, sometimes over 100, purple flowers. After pollination, each flower develops into a small fruit. Over time, these fruits merge into one large structure. That's the pineapple you eat. So technically, when you slice into a pineapple, you're cutting into a giant cluster of berries that grew together into one sweet, spiky masterpiece. Fact number 2, pineapples take a very long time to grow. If you think pineapples grow like apples, think again. It takes about 18 to 24 months for a single pineapple to grow. That's up to 2 years for just one fruit. First, the plant grows long, sword-like leaves. Only after many months does it produce a flower spike. Then comes the slow development of the fruit itself, which can take another 5 to 6 months to mature. And here's something cool, you can grow your own pineapple at home. Just twist off the crown, let it dry for a few days, and plant it in soil. With enough patience, and we mean a lot of patience, you might grow your own pineapple in a couple of years. Talk about commitment for a fruit salad ingredient. Fact number 3, pineapples eat you back. Ever notice your tongue feels tingly or sore after eating fresh pineapple? That's because pineapples contain an enzyme called bromelain. Bromelain breaks down protein. In nature, it helps defend the plant and may aid digestion. But when you eat pineapple, bromelain starts breaking down the proteins in your mouth, essentially digesting tiny bits of you while you're digesting it. Don't worry, your saliva quickly neutralizes the enzyme, and your mouth heals fast. Cooking pineapple also destroys bromelain, which is why canned pineapple doesn't cause that same burning sensation. So yes, pineapple is delicious. But it definitely fights back. Fact number 4, pineapples were once a symbol of extreme wealth. Today, you can buy a pineapple at almost any grocery store. But a few centuries ago, that wasn't the case. When Europeans first encountered pineapples in the Caribbean, they were introduced after voyages linked to explorers like Christopher Columbus. Pineapples became incredibly rare and expensive in Europe, because they were difficult to transport and nearly impossible to grow in colder climates. In the 17th and 18th centuries, pineapples were such luxury items that wealthy families would rent them as table centerpieces to show off their status. Yes, rent them. Because of this history, pineapples became a symbol of hospitality, wealth, and welcome. Even today, you'll see pineapple carvings on gates, hotels, and architecture as a symbol of friendliness. All from a fruit that now sits next to bananas at the store. Fact number 5, pineapples don't grow on trees. A surprising number of people think pineapples grow on trees. They don't. Pineapples grow close to the ground on a short, sturdy plant with long, spiky leaves. The fruit forms at the center of the plant, rising slightly above the leaves on a thick stem. Each plant produces only one pineapple at a time. After harvesting, the plant may produce smaller side shoots called ratoons, which can grow additional fruit. So next time you picture a pineapple farm, imagine rows of low, spiky plants, not tropical trees with pineapples hanging from branches. Pineapples are more than just a sweet tropical snack. They're a fusion of hundreds of flowers. They take up to 2 years to grow. They contain enzymes that digest protein. They were once a symbol of extreme wealth. And they don't even grow on trees. The next time you slice into a pineapple, remember, you're not just eating fruit. You're eating history, biology, and a little bit of science magic all in one bite. And now here's a question for you: would you ever try growing your own pineapple at home? If you enjoyed these facts, stick around for more surprising food and wildlife discoveries. There's always more beneath the surface.